become minus 2x minus 8y equals to minus 4. This one becomes minus 2x plus y equals to 5. Then, by subtracting the equation, I subtract the equation. Minus 2x minus minus 2x. This one becomes minus 8y minus plus y. Then this one becomes minus 4 minus 5. So here I have this one cancel out. Then this one becomes minus 8y minus y. Then this one becomes minus 9. So minus 9y minus 9. Divide both sides by minus 9. I divide this by minus 9. I also divide this by minus 9. Then this one cancel this. So y is equals to minus cancel 1 cancel 1. So y equals to 1. So, and since my y equals to 1, I can use equation 4. Using equation 4 to calculate my x. So y equals to 1. Using equation 4. Then I have, using equation 4, which is minus 2x plus y equals to 5. Then since my y is 1, so minus 2x plus 1 equals to 5. Then minus 2x becomes 5 by collecting like terms. I have this. Then minus 2x equals to 4. Dividing both sides by minus 2. Then I have 4 divided by minus 2. So this cancels this. And this is 2. So x equals to minus 2. Therefore, x equals to minus 2. Y equals to 1. Simultaneous equation. Example 5. This one has to do with word problem. A 2-digit number is such that the sum of its digits is 11. The number is 27 greater than the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Find the number. If you look at this question, the question says that a 2-digit number, the number is likely to be xy, where this x is occupying the tens position. So a 2-digit number is such that the sum of its digits is 11. So the first number, let's first number be x, while second number is y. Since we have a 2-digit number is such that the sum of its digits, the sum x plus y, is equal to 11. That is equation 1. The number is 27 greater than the second number obtained by interchanging the digits. So in the case where you interchange the digits, remember that this x is occupying tens position. So definitely it will be 10x because of the fact that x is occupying tens position. Then plus y. So automatically this is the first. When it is interchanged, making the second, it will now be 10y plus x. That is, the 10 has now become the coefficient of y in the second case. The question now stated that if the number is 27 greater than the second obtained by interchanging the digits, automatically for it to be greater, that definitely it means the first number, which is x plus y, the difference of the two must be equal to 27. That is the only condition that can make the first number greater than the second number. So this is now the equation 2. So we can simplify this equation 2 by opening the bracket. Then we have 10x plus y minus 10y minus x equal to 27. Then if you try to simplify this further, 10x minus x plus y minus 10y is equal to 27. So automatically this one becomes 9x minus 9y equals to 27. 9 is common to these two terms. We can factorize 9 out. Then we have 9 to y minus x minus y equals to 27. Then when we divide both sides by 9, then we have x minus y equal to 27 divided by 9. So and that gives 3. So that means x minus y equal to 3. Let's call this equation 3. So now combining equation 1 and 3, then we have x plus y equals to 11. Then we have x minus y equals to 3. So these are the two equations. So, and this is a simultaneous equation where you have two equations happening at the same time. So in this situation, let's eliminate y first. By eliminating y, then that means we are adding equation 1 and equation 2. So by so doing, x plus x, we have 2x, plus y plus minus y, that becomes 0. 11 plus 3, that becomes 14. So we have 2x equals to 14. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Then we'll have x equals to 7. So that is the first case. Using equation 1, where you have x plus y equals to 11. Since our x is now 7, so we substitute the value of x here, which is 7 plus y equals to 11. So automatically y will now be 11 minus 7, and y will now be equals to 4. So automatically we have x equals to 7, y equals to 4. The real number will be 74 since it's xy. So x in the position of x is 7, y in the position of y is 4. Or yx, then it should be 47. That's y in the first position, 4, then x. So your x is equal to 7, your y equals to 4. And the digits number, the two digits is equal to 74 or 47. That is the answer. Exercise. The perimeter of the isosceles triangle in figure 7.2, this is the figure 7.2, is 28 centimeters. Find x and y and hence state the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Then the question 2 is BC and Phoebe's ages add up to 29. 7 years ago, BC was twice as old as Phoebe. Find their present ages. Solution. Question 1. This figure 7.2 on the board is an isosceles triangle where the two opposite sides, these two opposite sides are equal and the base angles are also equal. So those are the properties of an isosceles triangle. Then we can say that 4y is equal to 6y minus 2x plus 1, since the two opposite sides are equal. Then let's try and simplify this. If this one comes here, it becomes 2x plus 4y. Then you bring this one here to become minus 6y and equals to 1. So automatically this one is 2x minus 2y is equal to 1. This is equation 1. And the question still move on to say that the perimeter of the isosceles triangle is 28. And you know what a perimeter is. We are adding the three sides. That is what the perimeter is. You add the three sides. So that means 4y plus 6y minus 2x plus 1, then plus x plus 2y. Everything is added up to 28 based on the statement. Then let's try and simplify these two. And by doing that, minus 2x plus x, that becomes minus x. 4y plus this, 10y. 10y plus this, that is 12y. Then you have 28. Then if this one goes to the other side, it becomes minus 1. And that is minus x plus 12y equal to 27. So this is equation 2. So by combining both equation 1, let's combine equation 1. We have 2x minus 2y equals to 1. Then we have minus x plus 12y equals to 27. If you multiply this to equal the coefficients of x, we need to eliminate x, we need to equal the coefficient of x. This one has a coefficient of minus 1 and this one has a coefficient of of 2. So automatically if we multiply this by 1 and multiply this by 2, we equal the coefficient. And by so doing, this one becomes 2x minus 2y equals to 1. And this one then will become minus 2x plus 24y equals to 54. That will give us 54. Then if you had the two equations, then this one cancel out. Why this one becomes 22y. Minus 2y plus 24y becomes 22y. Then this one becomes 55. Then we have 22y equals to 55. By dividing both sides by 22, let's divide both sides by 22. Divide this by 22 and also divide this by 22. Then we'll have y to be equals to 11 here 2, 11 here 5. So we have 5 over 2, which is also the same thing as 2 number 1 over 2. That is our y. Then we can use equation 1 to calculate our x. From equation 1, then we're going to have 2x minus 2 into, since our y is 5 over 2, then we can replace the y with 5 over 2 this way, equal to 1. So these two can cancel this, then we have 2x minus 5 equals to 1. Then 2x, by collecting like terms, you have this one comes together and becomes plus 5. Then we have 2x equals to 6. Divide both sides by 2. Then we have our x to be 6 over 2. And that is 3. So which equals to 3. That means our x is equal to, therefore, our x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 over 1 over 2. Then the second question, which is basis